Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed 17 problems from exercise 1.2. So let us continue the next problem. Which one is 18th? See, the sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24. See, the sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. This one is the first statement. Then, and the sum of the sixth and tenth terms is 44. This is the second statement. Then what he has asked, find first three terms of AP. We have to find three terms of AP. Okay. Statement 1. The sum of the fourth and eighth, A fourth plus A eighth equals to 24. Okay, let us simplify this one. A fourth meaning is A plus 4 minus 1 into D plus A8, A plus 8 minus 1 into D equals to 24. By referring An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. See, we obtained this statement by referring An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here is the meaning of A4, that n minus 1, 4 minus 1, n minus 1, 8 minus 1. So after simplification, what we will get? A plus 3D plus A plus 8 minus 1, 7D equals to 24. Then A plus A, 2A plus 7 plus 7D plus 3D, 10D equals to 24. Okay. First equation. Then second statement. Statement 2. Sixth and tenth term, that is A6 plus A10, A6, A10 equals to 44. The meaning of A6 is A plus 6 minus 1 into D plus meaning of A10 is A plus 10 minus 1 into D equals to 44. Okay. A plus 5D plus A plus 9D equals to 44. Then A plus A, 2A plus 9 plus 5, 14D, 5D plus 9 equals to 44. Let us say second one. Solving 1 and 2. See, first one is 2A plus 10D equals to 24. 2A plus 14D equals to 44. By subtracting plus 2A minus 2A gets cancelled. So here 10, 14, that larger number sign is minus, so minus 4D equals to here minus sign, larger number sign is minus, that is minus 20. So d equals to 20 by 4. D equals to 20 by 4. See, same signs are there, so we have neglected those signs. So 4 ones are 4 5s are. D equals to 5. D equals to 5. Then putting the value of D in equation 1, 1 is 2a plus 10d equals to 24. Therefore 2a plus 10 into 5 equals to 24. 2a plus 50 equals to 24. 2a equals to 24 minus 50. That is 2a equals to minus, larger number is sign minus. That is 26. Therefore, a equals to minus 26 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 13s are. A equals to minus 13. A equals to minus 13. See, we got D and the first term A. So next we have to write the find first 3 terms of AP. First 3 terms of AP. See, first term is A1, that implies A equals to minus 13. Second term A2 implies A plus D, A1 plus D, that is minus 3 plus 5, that is equals to minus 8. Then the third term A3 implies A2 plus D, that is minus 8 plus 3, that is equals to minus 3. Therefore, minus 13 minus 8 minus 3 dash 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 are the 3 terms of the AP. See, what we have done, first the problem has been separated into 2 parts. That first part is A4 sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24 according to the statement of the problem. So we got 2a plus 10d. In the second part of the question, that statement 2, a6th and a10th equals to 44. After simplification we got 2a plus 14d equals to 44. Solving 1 and 2, d equals to 5. Then after putting the d equals to 5 in any one of the equation, in this case we have considered the first equation. You can also consider the second equation. Same answer you will get. So I have considered the first equation. Then that value is being substituted. Then I got a equals to minus 13. Next, the first 3 terms of AP in the question they have asked. So A1, that is nothing but the first term, a minus 13. A2 will be calculated by adding the common difference to it. So A1 plus D minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. Then A3 equals to A2 plus D minus 8 plus 3 equals minus 3. The terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. You can also use ANth formula for calculating the APs. It seems it is lengthy process. Easy way of calculating the terms of AP is this one. Okay. Observe the problem once again attentively. Okay, say this one is the 19th. Say Subbarao started to work in 1995. In 1995 he started the work at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. His beginning salary was 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Every year he will get the increment of 200 rupees. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? In which year his income will reach 7,000? We have to find. Okay, let us write the salary pattern. Salary pattern. Salary pattern 1995. $5,000. 1996. Second year. 5,000 plus 200. That is 5,200. Then 1997. Third year. 5,200 plus 200. 5,400. Etc. So AP pattern will be 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 up to 7,000. So A equals to 5,000. B equals to A2 minus A1. 5,200 minus 5,000, that is equals to 200. Then AN equals to 7,000. Then N equals to question mark. We know AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN 7,000, A 5,000, N minus 1 into D 200. Okay, 7,000 minus 5,000 equals to N minus 1 into 200. So 7,000 minus 5,000 are 2,000. Equals to N minus 1 into 200. So 2,000 minus 200 equals to N minus 1. 2,000 divided by 200, sorry, 200 equals to N minus 1. 200 ones are 200 tens are. That is N minus 1 equals to 10. Therefore, N equals to 10 plus 1. Therefore, N equals to 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Therefore, N equals to 11 years. After 11 years, salary of 11, after 11 years you will get, that means 2005 11995 plus 11 years equals to 2006. You will get the salary of 7,000. Start for them. Okay, here this one is the last problem of exercise 1.2. Ramakali saved ₹5 in the first week. She is saving the first week ₹5 and then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75. 1.75. If in the 9th week her weekly savings become ₹20.75. Find N. Here we have to write first Ramkali's pattern of savings or saving pattern. See, in the first week ₹5. In the second week she increases ₹1.75, so that should be added. So 6 points in third week 6.75, 1.75, 8.50. So the AP format is five, 6.75, 8.50, continuation up to 20.75. So A equals to 5, yet D equals to A2 minus A1, then that is 6.75 minus 5, that is equals to 1.75, then Anth equals to 20.75, then N equals to question mark. We know Anth equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. See, we have written the pattern of savings, then that AP pattern numbers are 5, 6.81, then the last the 20.75 nth term. So we have calculated the common difference as 1.75. It is required to find is number of terms, that is Anth equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Anth means 20.75 equals to A 5 plus n minus 1 into d, how much? 1.75. 1.75. Okay, then 20.75 minus 5 equals to n minus 1 into 1.75. That 5 has been transferred. So 20 minus 5, whole number is there, 15.75 remaining equals to n minus 1 into 1.75. See, 1.75 is the multiplication term of n minus 1. So it divides this term. Therefore, n minus 1 equals to 15.75 divided by 1.75. So n minus 1 equals to, here see, this is the multiplication term for this one. So it has to be divided. 15.75 divided by 1.75 equals to n minus 1. So let us remove the decimals. 1575 divided by 175. n minus 1 equals to 175 ones are 9s are. That is n minus 1 equals to 9. Therefore n equals to 9 minus 1 if it is transferred plus 1. So n equals to 10. After 10 weeks, .75. See, this one is the verbal problem. Here we can set ourselves the EP pattern. Then by applying the related formula, we have to calculate the required values. See, this exercise 1.2 has been completed today. So let us start tomorrow 1.3. Before that, I will give you homework related to today's problems. Okay, write down the homework. See, I have written the 3 more problems for homework. That is first one, the related to first problem as I solved in this class. See, apply the method what way I have solved, then solve this one. I hope you can, everyone can solve this one. Then second one, this is the verbal problem related to AP. You have to write the pattern of AP by considering the statement of the problem. Then you have to answer for what question he has asked. Then this is also verbal based problem. So you have to set the AP format by reading the problem carefully. Then you have to calculate what they have asked. Okay. So far we have completed 1.2 of arithmetic progression chapter. There are 20 problems in that exercise. From 10 to 20, the questions are of 3 marks. Then from 1 to 10, there is a chances of asking 2 marks questions. Whatever it may be, you have to practice the problems thoroughly so that you can score very well in the examination. So work regularly and do the homework without fail. We will see the homework when the school reopens. Don't forget to make the homework. Thank you.